Jesse Matlock with the Rusty Shovel Landscape Shop here, and we're talking about trends in landscaping. Today we're talking about managing elevation changes and the importance of vertical lines. So often in landscaping, we only think about lines horizontally when you're looking down at the property. But one of the most important things when designing a yard for interest is thinking about those vertical elements to really make things stand out. Not only do retaining walls and elevation changes create a lot of visual interest and beauty, they also make us be able to grade the yard properly for the maximum use of space. If we were just to have this all sloped down, then we'd run into instances where the yard's unable to be used. But by creating level changes, we can have different levels of interaction and really make sure that that yard is the most usable for the homeowner. The other benefit of elevation change is being able to do things like raised beds for your vegetable gardening and your perennial gardening, so it's easier to maintain those plants and make it easier on yourself. The other beauty of elevation changes is we can use some of those blocks to create raised beds to make it easier for maintaining your gardens. I'm Jesse Matlock with the Rusty Shovel Landscape Shop, and these are some trends in landscaping.